Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Previous video I have given 100% correct answers for last week, and I promise you that in this week too I have given 100% correct answer. So please watch the video till the end without skipping the video, because if you skip the video you will miss if I make any between changes of this video. So watch till the end, and this is week 9 of problem solving through programming in C. Friends, if you have any doubts or if you feel any answer is not correct, you can comment in the comment section. But in my view, all these are 100% correct answers. 10 by 10 you can score. So coming to first question, what is the worst case complexity of selection sort? We know the worst complexity case of selection sort, that is O of n square. So mark option D as correct answer for first question. And coming to second question, what is the correct order of insertion sort in ascending order? This is important. Ascending order for the array 83594. It is array size and these are array elements. The array name is ARR. So the correct answer for this is option B. So mark option B as correct answer for second question. And coming to third question, the binary search tree is best applied to an array. They are asking the condition or the need or necessity where binary search is best applied to the array. So the answer for third question is option B, that is when the array is sorted, because after sorting you will get results better, because it will not sort anything. So after sorting then you can give the elements to the binary search algorithm. And coming to fourth question, select the code snippet which performs unordered linear search iteratively. So if we see this first code, int, and if you see the break statement, index is equal to I. These two are important statements that will separate from other given options. Index equal to I and break. Here there is no index and just break they have given, and here they have given continue. The statement will just stop its execution and again go back when you use continue, but if you use break then stops the next iterations and directly get back to return. So option A is correct answer for fourth question. Coming to fifth question, what is the best and worst case complexity of ordered linear search? So the answer for this is, you know that the best case of ordered linear search is O of 1 and worst case is O of n. If you see where is the option, that is fourth option, O of 1 is the, it means you see according to the given question best case is given first, that is O of 1, and worst case is given next, that is O of n. So option D mark as correct answer for fifth question. And coming to sixth question, binary search can be categorized into which of the following? So they have again brute force, divide, greedy and dynamic. So the correct answer for this is option B, that is divide and conquer. The divide and conquer and make it is making a small parts and controlling it within each part. And coming to seventh, they have given an array consisting of 3, 3, 6, 7 elements and key is given 100. What are the mid values? They have asked to generate in the first and second iterations. So it means the mid values in first iteration and mid values in second iteration. So the answer for this, the correct answer is option A, that is 91 and 98. It means 91 values, mid values are generated in first iteration and 98 mid values are generated in second iteration. So option A is correct answer for 7th question. Coming to 8th question, they have given a pseudocode to perform selection sort. We know the selection sort algorithm, so just try to apply that, and it is exactly or moreover same, just they are changing the variables. Many of the variables are also same, just it's a fixed algorithm. If you see the option A, length minus 1, length minus 1, this can be the answer. So this is the correct answer for 8th question, that is option A, and this separates from other options. So option A is the correct answer for 8th. Coming to last but one question, that is 9th question. They have given a question that array for 5 elements it consists, and associated with each sort, that is swap operation, is 25 rupees. Total cost of insertion sort when one element reaches the first position. So reaching the first position means there are 2 iterations. For each iteration, it means for each sort operation, that is swap operation, 25 rupees. It means 2 iterations are needed. So it means before 1 there are 3 elements, so it means you have to cross 5, next 4, next 9, and then 1. There is 3 iterations before reaching 1. So 3 into 25, 3 to 325 is 75. So option C is the correct answer for 9th question. If you understood, this is the 4th element with index 3. Before reaching 4th position, that where 1 exists, there are 3 elements before that. So after completing 3 elements only, it comes to control 1. So 3 into 25 for each swap, that is 75. And coming to final 10th question, they have given a code and asked us the output. The answer for 10th question is option D, compilation error, because the first error comes at define A1. So friends, I'm going to submit these answers. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.